Where is my soap? Give me my soap.
What soap are you talking about?
Just give me my soap.
Soap?
Yes. My soap! My soap!
Which soap is this guy talking about now? Which soap? This guy should allow me walk in peace. What am I owing soap? Soap? Our soap!
Good afternoon. Sorry I woke you up. This morning I washed my clothes here and I'm looking for the remaining soap. Do you see it?
What? Listen!
Soap now.
Soap!
Yes.
No!
Uncle, why are you running now?
Thank you very much for watching that wonderful, hilarious comedy from Floritan Comedy. Please subscribe. Please tell a friend.
Offendio, it's free.
Simple.
Click on it.
So once you finish watching the video, comment. You go to the left hand side, subscribe. Tell a friend to subscribe to, and turn on the post notification. It's very good.
Thank you. God bless you. God bless you.
Democracy.